In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zillow slow loading issue on desktop. If Zillow has been dragging, freezing, or taking forever to load listings, there's a quick fix that usually clears things up: removing old cookies and cached files from your browser. These are tiny bits of data your browser saves to speed up browsing. But when they become outdated or corrupted, they can slow sites down or cause them to behave oddly. Let's walk through the process together. First, open your browser menu. On most desktop browsers like Chrome or Edge, you'll see three dots in the top right corner of the window. Click that menu and choose Settings. If your browser looks a little different, don't worry. The wording may vary slightly, but the options we need are almost always in the same place. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Privacy and Security. This is where your browser keeps tools related to site data, permissions, and cleanup. Click Privacy and Security, then find the option called Clear Browsing Data. This opens a panel where you can choose exactly what to remove. In that panel, select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Cookies help websites remember you, while the cache stores images and page elements to load sites faster. When either gets cluttered or corrupted, Zillow can struggle to load properly. If you see a time range menu, choosing all time is the most thorough, but if you prefer, you can try a shorter range first. Keep in mind that clearing cookies will sign you out of most websites, so make sure you know your login details before proceeding. Now click Clear Data. This may take a moment depending on how much your browser has stored. When it's done, your browser's local copy of Zillow's files will be fresh and ready to rebuild. Next, reload Zillow. You can do this by clicking the reload icon near the address bar, or by pressing the keyboard shortcut if you prefer. The first load after clearing the cache might take a touch longer than usual. That's normal as your browser fetches new files. After that, pages should start feeling snappier, images should display correctly, and search results should load more reliably. If Zillow still seems slow, give the page another refresh and try navigating between a few listings to let the new cache settle. Most of the time, this simple cleanup resolves loading delays and odd glitches. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get Zillow running smoothly again on your desktop.